Okay, short review for the Walker Edison white oak laminate MDF side table. It's a little bit smaller than I think probably the standard, if there is a standard side table, but it was good when I was in an apartment and didn't want to take up a whole bunch of space. I like the color so much, that I actually ended up purchasing a TV stand as well as an entry table there. Also from Walker Edison, and I did have a coffee table that I got rid of here. It's sturdy, it's strong. It's I think 18 by 18 on the top, and then 22 inches high. It doesn't have a drawer or any other storage other than the shelf there. Yes, high copper. And it's got the metal bands that go across the sides to give it strength. It's a pretty sturdy little side table. Good product.